So for this session, that the kids are making their own airplane like this one, and you know what? We need 3 sessions to just complete the whole activities of this project. So this is the third session, and then we are still have some of the kids to present their work. And I hope you guys do not really feel exhausted. And I hope you guys can enjoy the presentation moment for today. So the next one, who wants to be the next one? Want to be the okay.
Ada bahasa Indonesia.
Oh, Nico, thank you so much for staying. Terima kasih banget Nico udah tetap dengerin teman-temannya. I appreciate your work. Please don't leave the video yet. Oke, thank you so much Nico. Nico mau present lagi atau belum?
I wanna present.
Oke. Nico tadi udah ya, sekarang Devanka. Come on, Devanka. After Devanka, please be prepared for Aleta and Leandro. Devanka first. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, this is my plane. I call it normal plane because it's normal. So first, I assemble 3 sticks together, and then I put the wings like this. And then I stick it to the 3 sticks. Then I cut 1 stick. I cut 2 pieces of sticks, and I stick it on here. Then I put 1 more stick in here. And then I put a stick in here and here. Then 3 sticks on here. Then 1 more stick on here. Then I cut 4 squares and I assembled them together like this.
Wow, that's cool. Do you create 1 or 2?
2.
Oh, nice. Which one do you like?
2 of them.
Why you choose 2 of them?
Because I like it.
Is it hard for you to make like that? Which one is the hardest part of your project?
Making this one.
I like the triangle concept. What is that? What is the function of the triangle?
It's like a wheel, but not the wheel. It's like for it to stand.
Oh, so it will be.
Because there's this, right?
Okay.
So,
I like.
this one is for shooting.
Yeah, I like your idea on how to make it more different with others. That is really cool. You are so creative, Devanka. Thank you so much. Can you mention 5 things that you learned from this lesson? Yay.
Patiently.
Okay.
To assemble them properly.
Okay. 2.
To be creative.
Okay, 3rd one. 4th one, maybe.
To make the fit of the plane.
Okay, last one. Last one.
To make like a seat for them to drive.
For the pilot to sit down
Yeah.
to ride the airplane. Thank you so much, Devanka. I'm so proud of you. I'll give you 2 thumbs up. 4 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Now, Abia, you want to present your work? Come on, Abia. Yang jelas suaranya. Ready? 1, 2, go. Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja. Ayo. Ya harus keras suaranya. Kemarin.
Buatnya Bia, pertama-tama Bia ambil 1 sticknya, habis itu potong, yang kedua potong juga, habis itu Bia tempel di stick yang satunya lagi.
Ya.
Habis itu Bia tumpuk-tumpuk yang banyak, bikin ininya 7. Habis itu Bia pakai middle ininya.
Iya. Bia bikin berapa? 1 atau 2?
2.
Coba satu lagi mana? Tunjukin ke teman-teman. Wah, keren banget. Yang ini apa?
Dua-duanya sama.
Sama, ya. Mana yang paling Bia suka?
Dua-duanya.
Mana? Coba tunjukin dua-duanya ke teman-teman. Apa bedanya satu ini sama yang satu lagi?
Yang ini warna biru, yang ini warna pink.
Kalau bentuknya sama ya? Sama. Oke, Bia kasih tahu Mr. Al 3 hal yang dia pelajarin hari ini.
Dia baru pernah bikin pesawatnya sama nempel sticknya dan potong stick.
Dia belajar 3 hal. Pertama, Bia baru pertama kali bikin pesawat pakai es krim stick. Kedua, Bia belajar nempelin ya. Dan yang ketiga, Bia belajar untuk tadi apa?
Untuk memotong.
Oh, memotong. Iya, belajar potong-potong juga ada ilmunya ternyata yang Bia pelajarin. Terima kasih Bia. Mr. Al kasih 4 jempol. Jempol tangannya 2, jempol kaki 2. Itu artinya keren banget. Oke, dulu kita punya Kakak Aleta. Silakan Kakak Aleta mau sharing. Ready? Yuk, kita dengerin yuk. Devanka, duduk dong. Dengerin Kakak Aleta mau sharing. Keren banget punya dia. Ready? 1, 2, go.
This is my plane. I made it with a lot of sticks.
Okay, good. That's cool. Can you show us how to make it?
I made it with more and more sticks. And I also decorated.
Okay, good. I can see it.
And my mom helped me because I have hot glue.
Wow. Are you using hot glue gun?
My mom.
Okay, good. I mean, yeah, your mommy helping you with the glue. Yeah, thank you. And then, can you share the other one, please?
My mom make it.
Okay, nice. Wow, you're working together with your mommy. That's so
This was
cute.
my first one.
That's one you made it by yourself.
Yes.
So that one is using your own idea. Can you share us why that you plan like that? It's really beautiful and nice, so I'm so happy to say it.
I have like a lot of plans in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Making stuff.
Do you have a name for 3 of them?
This was my second airplane named Fullest Airplane. And this one, I don't know any names.
Wow, cool. Yeah. And then the third one, do you have a name for your third work?
Apaan? Tiga-tiganya kamu tutup.
Okay, are you happy with that, Aleta?
Mm-hmm.
Can you mention 7 things that you learned from this work? One is you learn what?
Making planes.
Yeah, making plane. Good job. The second one you learn about? Yeah, making
everything all straight.
Okay, good job. The third one will be you working. I mean, you learn about what?
Very patient.
Yeah, you learn about patience to make it. Fourth one.
I decorated pretty.
Okay, you learn how to decorate it. Fifth one, the last one.
how to draw monitor.
What?
Draw monitor for the decoration.
Okay. And then you learn how to work with your mommy. Is it important for us to work with our mommy?
All of our parents.
Yeah. I think working with parents is also important, yeah, so that they can also help us in certain part like cutting or using the glue gun like that. Thank you so much, Aleta. Are you happy with your airplane? Yeah, thank you so much. Then you can play with it now. And I'm so proud with you because you are so confident in terms of presenting your work. I give you 2 thumbs up, maybe 4 thumbs up with my legs also. Thank you so much, Kakak Aleta. Makasih banyak ya. Good job, well done. I think that's it, everyone. I think we already doing all the presentation. Terima kasih Kakak Ansel dan Alice. Sampai ketemu hari Kamis ya. Makasih Kakak Aleta, makasih Kakak Niko. Makasih Devanka and Abia. Kita akan ketemu lagi hari Kamis, kita akan buat tower yang tinggi ya. Untuk bikin tower yang tinggi kalian butuh banyak banget obstacle stick. Boleh buat gampang lagi ya. Cari yang lunak biar gampang dipatahin nantinya. Oke, next. Thank you so much Ansel and Alice. Bye Ansel and Alice. See you again next time. Bye Nico. Bye Aleta. Bye Devanka. Bye Abia.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye bye bye. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.